Today, I am getting asked all the time, how much money do I need to make to afford a $300,000 home? Today, we're going to cover your estimated monthly mortgage, your down payment options, the income you need, and what lenders look for. Let's start with the first question that most people ask, and that is the monthly mortgage. So if we're looking at a $300,000 home at 6.5% rate with 5% down, your mortgage is going to be roughly around $2,200. That's going to include your mortgage, your insurance, taxes, and an estimate of a $150 HOA. Now that we know the payment, let's look at how much you actually need to make. Most lenders use something called a DTI, which is your debt to income ratio. And most conventional loans do not want to go over 45% of your gross income. So if you're looking at a $2,200 mortgage, your income is going to need to be roughly around $75,000, which is roughly about $6,000 a month. If you have no major debts, you may be able to get away with making about $65,000. If you have car loans, student loans, or credit debt, you may need to make more. So with that 5% down that we talked about, at $300,000 home, that's going to be a down payment of $15,000. However, not everyone is putting 5% down. And how are they doing it? Some are doing FHA loans, which is 3.5% down. Conventional can be as low as 3%. And if you qualify for VA or USDA loans, you can actually get away with 0% down. Now, obviously, the more money you put down, the less your mortgage payment is going to be. However, it may not make sense to put tens of thousands of dollars down if your mortgage is not going to change that much. So it is best to reach out to a local lender or realtor to go over those numbers. Keep in mind, you do have utilities, water, and internet. So to give a true estimate, you may be looking at an upper 2000s. Now, just keep in mind, if you are waiting for rates to drop, home prices will go up as well because there will be more affordability in the market. If you're thinking of purchasing a home and you want to run the numbers, reach out. My number is 704-903-3132. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.